Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in once again. So in this video, we'll be installing the Tor browser in Kali Linux operating system. The Tor is actually one of the technologies or ways, or one of the many ways that you can use to stay anonymous or anonymize your identity on the internet or as you surf the internet. So to confirm that you don't have or you don't have the Tor, I can go to my applications and type in Tor. You can see that there's no Tor application here. So I'll open up. Next thing I want to do is to open up my terminal. Open up my terminal emulator. And let me maximize the screen. And in my terminal here, I would want to use the size so you see better. So in my terminal here, the first thing I want to do before it's always recommended and important that you always update the package list before installing any application. So to do that, we'll type in sudo apt get update to update my package list. Enter, I need to ask me for my password. I'll enter the password for Kali, and it will begin the process of updating. So this may take some time, but you have to exercise patience. And zoom this out a bit. Yeah, so you can see that it's done updating the package list. So the next thing I would want to do is begin the process of installation or installing the Tor browser. So I would clear up my screen from here to have a new workspace to work on. So the command I'm going to use to install this is sudo apt install Tor browser. And I'm using this just in case you can see. And I'll hit enter from my keyboard and to begin the installation process. So you can say, ask me, do you want to continue? I'll say Y for yes to continue the process. So you could see that it's notifying me that some services have been installed and they will need to be restarted. So I'll select the Y for it. I'll select the yes option and hit enter. You can see that it's telling us that services restarted successfully. Now it's done. It's done with the process of installation. So if I come to my icon of applications here, I click on it here, and I search for Tor again. So I search for Tor. You can see that we have Tor installed now. So it's either I launch it here or I launch it from the terminal. So my screen. It's either I launch it here. I can equally launch the Tor browser from here. The Tor browser launcher, and I'll hit enter, and this will start the process of downloading Tor properly. So I can minimize our terminal so you have a proper view of that. Once this is done downloading, it will install Tor properly. Yeah, so Tor browser has been installed properly and configured in our Kali Linux operating system. So it's going to launch by itself without me opening it up. Take it to the screen middle here, and this is our Tor browser interface. So first thing I want to do is to click on connect. Okay, so this is our Tor browser main interface. You could see the search engine, which is using by default, it uses stock.go, which is its main search engine. And yeah, this is Tor browser installed and configured in Kali Linux operating system. Just in case you will need a walkthrough or guide, you can click on the Tor browser icon here, and you have a welcome message. You can go to privacy, go to Tor network, and you have a proper documentation of how this works. And yeah, you click on done to navigate you to I think the Tor browser website, which is torproject.org. And so this one of the things about Tor is that it's slow in connectivity because it has to the meaning of Tor is actually the onion router. This is simply because it hides your location by routing your traffic through 3 different hubs or three different random places or locations around the world, and also helps encrypt your traffic with triple layer encryption, making sure that no one follows your Tor socket back to its origin. So this is Tor Browser properly installed. This is the their website, and these are the advertising telling you that the latest version is Tor Browser 11.0, which I think that's the latest version. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. You can also, just in case you want to access the Tor browser link, there are specific links that only work on Tor. They don't work on normal your normal browser like Firefox, Chrome, and the rest. So if I come to my normal browser here and I search for Tor browser links, enter. So you can see, and I locate the website where I have some links. So it says, I scroll down and it's not now. This. So if I scroll down, you can see that dark web searches, best onion sites, browser. These are links that can only work on Tor browser. Just in case you want to confirm that, if I click on any of this link, let's say I click on this, the hidden wiki, I click on this link, it will not open. It will tell me to give me an error message saying we have trouble finding that site because this link is designed to be only opened in Tor browser. So let's say I copy this link. Let's say I copy this link. Highlight this. Let's say I copy this copy, and I go to my Tor browser and I paste the link here. That's the problem with Tor because it takes time to access. It's quite slow. So you can see that it did access the Tor browser link, which is an anonymous. It's only used in can only be used on Tor browser or the Tor service. If I scroll down, you can see this is a page or a website that's a dark web website. So there are a lot of bad things that go on here. So we're not doing other stuff. I don't actually normally use these services because I don't have any interest with this. So this is just for you to learn and know that how this thing works. I'm not promoting any illegal thing here. So that's how you get Tor browser installed, configured, and how to use it in your Kali Linux operating system. So this video is already long, so I'm not going to. I'm going to hang up the video. So one more thing before I go, just in case you've finished browsing and searching the web, you can always come to this brush icon here, which you could see I hover my mouse and it showed me new identity. If I click on this, it will wipe out every thing I did on using the Tor browser. So if I click this, you're going to see what will happen. It's asking me, I'll select yes. And you can see what I told you. It did restart and refresh the Tor browser for me. And another thing one thing you also want to do is that whenever you want to browse the web safely, I always recommend you going for the safest option. So I click on my security icon here, and you can see that the security level is set as standard. If I click on change here, I'm going to set this at the safest mode to disable JavaScript such that no site can collect my cookies or store my data in their web server. So that's pretty much it's what I want to show you basically. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being patient with me. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.